We just listed 12 units in Anaheim for $3.1 million. This property is located at 1121 and 1125 West Fay Lane, just off the 5 freeway in Lincoln towards downtown. What we really like about this property is half the units are single-story construction. You've got a great mix of 8 one-bedroom, one-bath units and 4 two-bedroom units. The property is individually metered for gas and electric. There's 12 garage spaces, so everyone has a parking space. And then additionally, the price per unit going in is $258,000 per unit. So it's an attractive basis. $319 a foot. There's also 25 to 30% upside in this property. We are putting this property on the market. If you have any interest, feel free to reach out to our team and we can set up a private tour and also get you access to the marketing brochure. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.